Hello friends, and welcome back to Align Plans. Thank you so much for coming by. So today we're going to be unboxing this little guide that I just received from Plannerspot. If you are brand new to Plannerspot and you kind of wanted to see like what they actually include in their sub boxes that comes out monthly, then just stay tuned and let's dive right in. And of course, if you are brand new to this channel, thanks so much for coming by. My name is Meshi. I'm the voice behind Align Plans, and we chat at least a couple of times a week on this channel, and we talk about anything and everything minimalist planning, but more importantly we talk about how we can use these beautiful tools in the most intentional way. So if that sounds good, you would probably really enjoy it here. Okay, I just wanted to dive right in. We will basically just unbox everything, so I'll show you what it comes with, and then I will post on the screen all of the things that like the cost, how long it takes. Just for a little bit of a reference, I live in Canada, and I will post on the screen when my shipping happened for Plannerspot. They usually ship, so I believe that this is actually the April. Is it the April box? It doesn't say, it just says that it renews every single month, but here I actually do have the price here. So this cost $15 US monthly. So let's open her up, because honestly, like most of my packages lately have been so delayed that just the fact that I'm like receiving at least some of them is a miracle. If you live in Canada, you already know exactly what I'm talking about, and just finding sub boxes that are like suitable for minimalist planning, I'm finding it to be an absolute challenge. Ooh. Yeah, I believe this is their April box. So let's see what it comes with. So we have like a little card that's just like a little calendar card for April. Ooh, okay, so this is not hole punch, but that's totally fine. So you have like this beautiful vellum piece. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And then you have this other vellum piece with just like textures. Super cute, right? Okay, let's set them aside. Okay, let's see what this comes with. First of all, I appreciate the packaging. It's so simplistic and minimalist. Okay, so we have some dollar signs. Icon, there we go, transparent icon stickers. So you have some dollar signs, a few colors for dots. We have some washi strips. Same color, we have some teardrops, which will be awesome. And we have a full sheet of birthday. Oh, that's so cute. Then you have some pink, more washies for highlighting. Here we go, now you can actually see it more in focus. So let me just get you guys zoomed in. So here we go. So we have like these cute little flags, and it says off on there. And I think that this is for like takeout. So that's one little set. First of all, I really like, look how cute this is with like the little sleeve and everything. Oh, it's so adorable. So that's one set here. Oh, look at that with like the texture. Can we please talk about that? Okay, that I feel like is just basically a holder. Life by Design. So thank you so much for your order. Come and support us. Okay. And then we also have some decorative stickers here. So let's unpack that. Okay, so then we have some arrows, some doodle arrows, which I also appreciate. And then we have some decorative, looks like it's all about celebration and celebrating birthdays, which is kind of funny. And then you have like a full strip of washi down in the bottom. Super cute. I think that for the price that you pay, I think it's absolutely worth it. Is this like a full like sub box, like similar to cloth and paper? No, but they also don't promise to be that. So it's kind of like, this is great if you want like a new theme happening in your planner, but you also love a couple of sheets of like this super minimalist icons when you can just kind of switch things out. I think that this is something that you can kind of just put your like you put your little stickers in, and then you can kind of place that in your planner. This is definitely like it has like an adhesive back to it. I'm not sure if anything, I might actually use this. I think it might be really nice to use it on the inner corner here, and because size-wise, I think that this would be really nice. I digress. We'll figure it out. But nevertheless, I think that if you're wondering, if you wanted to kind of figure out like, okay, is this actually worth the subscription? Like, would this be something that I would, you know, that I would actually recommend to people? I would. I think that it's really nice when you don't want to, you know, when you don't want to place a bunch of Etsy orders, you just kind of like a sense of surprise and something that kind of comes and you get to look forward to each month. I think having something like this is really lovely because you kind of switch things out. It keeps things interesting. And I mean, like, it will take a while for you to kind of go through this. You know what I mean? Here we go. We're actually focusing today, which is lovely. So, I mean, like, even like if you love like this really clean, minimalistic type of decor, I would definitely check them out. I will leave a link in the description for them so that you can kind of check them out, see what you think. But I wanted to just take a moment to really just unbox everything so you guys can kind of take a look at what comes in the box if you haven't had a chance to check it out. Especially if you are in Canada, I have to say, shipping didn't take long, like, at all. Like, they were on top of it, which I really appreciate. And I mean, you guys already know my struggle with shipping and with sub boxes, because I continue to wait and wait and wait quite a long time before I can actually receive some of my sub boxes. So this is wonderful. It's not the full shenanigans that I would get within cloth and paper, but I'm also not expecting it to be, because it does cost a little bit less. So for the price that you pay, I think it's wonderful. This is all I wanted to share with you. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried Plannerspot and what your thoughts are, if you are subscribed to them, or if you have even tried anything from them. Let me know your experience in the comment section below. And in the meanwhile, just keep planning. You guys, thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.